unrivaled biker's high that only comes when you've earned your stripes.
So we are staying in this lovely place here in Taj Vivanta. Our biker boys hogging some food.
Up next, on to Bumla Pass, armed with permits secured from the DC office, a crucial requirement for this restricted border area. While the road to Bumla is generally safe, riders should exercise extreme caution depending on the season. Sometimes sudden weather changes can transform the route without warning. That said, the Border Roads Organization does remarkable maintenance on this vital strategic highway.